am sitting in my car in the Target parking lot listening to NPR, letting my phone charge a little bit longer because it's kind of dead and I was not thinking ahead. Basically, this is not a regular Target run. I am meeting up with my friend Ashley. I will link her channel down below. We are both super obsessed with TikTok lately, and so we decided that the best way to spend our Monday evening was to meet at Target and do some TikToks in Target and shoot some content for Instagram in Target. Yeah, we are those people. Hopefully, because we're at the West Hollywood location, people are just like not shocked by anything living in LA. So hopefully we don't get stared at too much. I don't care, people can stare, I have no shame. So I'm gonna take you along with me on our little content shooting girls fun day in Target. Hopefully we get our TikToks made. I'm using the sound from a YouTube video that I watched the other day that's freaking hysterical. I will link that in the description box so you guys can watch it. It's like single girls on Valentine's Day or something, and it's these two guys that are walking around Target like just saying all these hysterical things. So I made some original sounds for my TikTok, and we're gonna go in and hopefully do those. If you guys want to see a video of how to like take just any sound that you want and put it on TikToks, and comment down below and I'll do a separate video about that, because it kind of took me a minute to figure it out, but maybe that's because I'm like 31 and I shouldn't be on TikTok. So if you're on TikTok, follow me. My handle is Miss More Style, like it is everywhere else on all social media platforms. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I will have all of that linked below as well. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I'm gonna turn off my car and head into Target and see if I can find my friend. All right, I found Ashley in the Valentine's section. Are you ready to do this?
I think so. There's lots of people here. So.
No, there's actually not very many people here. I was expecting more.
I feel like I've been walking and like people have been coming in and out of this aisle. I'm very popular right now.
You're gonna have to experience us being fabulous. Okay. Pull up Postmates on your phone. It's I
just feel like everyone has a soulmate. We know what we have. Postmates. Preach. Rosa's okay.
Is that working?
ready.
I just feel like everyone has a soulmate. We know what we have. Postmates. Preach. Preach. I just feel like everyone has a
What did you tell your husband that we're doing? Did you tell him the truth? No. Yeah, me neither. He was like, why do you need to be that pretty to go to Target? I was like,
I said we have to shoot in Target, and he was like, what? And I was like, don't worry about it. It's okay.
Sometimes it's too exhausting to explain to our husbands like what we do. Where are we gonna do this? What's like a baby thing?
Like a baby Bjorn I could put on.
You could sit in one. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, what is it?
I love babies. Will I ever have one?
This way. Oh crap. I'm definitely getting my steps in, walking all over this store. Could be worse in here right now. Could be more people.
I'm surprised that might be like the after school if you really do.
Yeah.
Giving this Target.
Yeah. All right, now we gotta walk back to the food section.
Return this bottle of wine that Jessica took.
It's a Yellowtail, I don't want any part of it. Ugh. Hangover Central. god. He finally made his milk selection, so now I can do my...
It's all 2%. All the same.
It's like all the same brand too. We finished our TikToks and now we're gonna try to take a cute Galentine's picture. That should be interesting. This is called guerrilla style shooting. That's the Hollywood term. Great, so I'm gonna get in this car. Things to use when you're shooting yourself. These guys to hold your phone up. Yeah, see, you can put your phone anywhere and it holds it straight up. A remote clicker. That's all you need to guerrilla style shoot and target. If this clicker's out of battery, I'm gonna be mad. It's out of battery, we're gonna have to use self-timer. I have to hit the shutter.
Do you want to hold this?
I'm just in the shopping cart, guys. It's no big deal.
Let's see what we got. You just stay right there.
Can you push me around?
Yeah.
Bye. Okay, wait. I'm in the way.
So ridiculous, so ridiculous. That's cute.
That could be cute. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get out of the shopping cart now.
Oh, select the below.
Sorry.
Yes, it's like, this is my madrina Eileen.
Oh, I did that really gracefully, actually. I'm very surprised at myself. Actually, really heavy. It's hard to push.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear.
My favorite was the one you jumped on the person behind you.
What? Successfully TikToked and Instagrammed and vlogged in Target.
We did it.
So make sure that you follow both of us on TikTok. I'm gonna put that link down below. Follow Ashley's channel. And we're gonna stop being fools and go home. Yeah. But it was fun while it lasted.
It was really fun.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. So I'm back from our little Target excursion. I wanted to actually come on here and show you guys how I got sound of my own choosing onto TikTok, because this took me a little while to figure out and I came across some videos that didn't really help me that much. So I figured I would show you how I did it. Hopefully it's helpful to you. I'm a 31-year-old trying to be on TikTok, so it's kind of a learning curve, but I think I'm getting the hang of it more and more as I go along. It's pretty addicting. Basically, why you would want to do this is, let's say there's a YouTube video, in my case for this video, or like there's a line from a movie or a TV show that you would like to use to like lip sync in TikTok, but you don't know if it exists yet in TikTok, and you don't really have time to like search through TikTok and see if there is a recording like that. So there's ways that you can create an original sound and put it on the app. I also feel like there could be some benefit to having an original sound, being the originator of a sound, because when you look at sounds on TikTok, you'll notice in the very top left corner of the grid of all the TikToks in that sound, the original is always lives right there on that top left corner with that yellow banner that tells you that that's the original. So I feel like there's a strategy to be had there. If you can come up with an original sound that can go viral, you will always have that very like front and center place for that sound, and it might be a way for more people to just continue to discover you as time goes on. So just food for thought. I don't know if that's proven, but it's like a theory that I've had. I'm going to take you over to my computer so you can see what I'm doing. Essentially what I wanted was to get sound bites from this video from Trey Kennedy, who, if you guys have not checked out his channel, you totally should. It's hysterical, but I wanted clips from his sound from this video, which is called Single Girls on Valentine's Day Be Like.
Valentine's Day, it's just like not even based on a real holiday. My parents have been married for 27 years and they don't even celebrate it. Amen.
So this video is hilarious. There's all kinds of really good, like, quickie little funny lines, and I wanted to go to Target, like I showed you earlier, and film TikToks with my friend Ashley. But the problem is, how do you get them these little bites into videos or sounds on TikTok? It's really actually not that difficult. Some videos out there showed that you could basically go on your phone to whichever YouTube, Netflix, wherever this content exists that you would like to take the soundbite from, and essentially you can go to that video, pause it right before they say what you want to record, swipe down and hit your screen recording button, and then once it's recording, hit play, record the segment that you want,
Well, I guess Cupid
and then stop.
but don't worry, Cupid.
After you've done that step, you would go into your camera roll to your videos.
Well, I guess Cupid.
And you could edit your clip to shorten it to whichever amount of time that you wanted. Let's say you didn't exactly record it like completely perfectly, so this is the way that you could fine tune it. And once you've gotten the little section that you want, you hit done, save video. What you would do is you would go into your TikTok app, upload that clip as a TikTok.
Amen.
So hit next, next.
Amen.
And then you would make it private. So you hit private and you post it. Wait for it to load. This method is great, but this is the way that I did it instead, and you're gonna laugh. It's so easy. All I did was I went into the recording, like the actual TikTok video recording section, and I would stop it right where I want it to be, and then
Cupid missed me with his arrow this year, but don't worry, Cupid. I'll be a bigger target in no time. I just feel like everyone has a soulmate. Well, you know what we have? Postmates. Preach. Roses are red. I'm sick of men.
so there you go. So now
Soulmate. Well, you know what we have? Postmates. Preach. Roses are red. I'm sick of men.
So now you have that sound, and the sound quality is not as precise as if you do the screen recording way, but this was just much faster and easier in my opinion because you're just recording it, and it's TikTok, like it doesn't need to be like amazing sound quality. So then you would hit next, then you would just don't put anything in the description, go to the privacy, go to make it private, and then hit post. So then once it's uploaded, we'll give it a couple seconds. Now it is uploaded. So what you can do is you go to that brand new video that you just made, you hit the little spinning record at the bottom and try to use the sound right there. It won't work. For some reason, it won't work, maybe because it's a private video. But one workaround that I found is if you go to these three dots and you hit add to favorites, then you can go into your favorites, which live right here on your profile, and there it is. There's the video that we just favorited. Hit that. Now the little record has my profile in the middle of it because I'm the originator of this sound. You can hit it, and now all of a sudden it lets you add this sound to your favorites if you want to save it for later to do something at a different, like a later date, or you can just go ahead and hit use this sound, and you can use the sound immediately in your TikTok. Well, I hope that little tip helped you guys out. There's just so many like little clips and things from different movies and TV shows that I think are so funny that I haven't seen people use on TikTok yet. So I really am glad that I discovered this other little workaround that you can do so that you can upload any sound. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this for music. I would recommend if you want to do music, try to find it on TikTok itself. And the reason why is I put up a TikTok last Christmas with my friend Bianca. We were baking cookies and we were listening to Mariah Carey and dancing to it, and I uploaded it thinking it's all fine. Then I realized later that they showed it to no one because they made it private because the TikTok was violating copyright. Don't try try and use this for music, you might have a copyright issue. With TikTok, I would say only use this for when you want to upload funny little sound bites. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I am going to start doing more social media type videos on my channel, as well as other like blogging related business things. So if that is something that sort of interests you, then you will want to stay tuned, because I have a lot more of that coming your way that I have planned. All right, well, it is time for me to go watch The Bachelor, so I'm signing off. And if you have a TikTok, drop it down below and support each other. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Oh, what? I love babies. Will I ever have one? Help? Yep. 1-800 is still single. I'll hold. These boots are made for walking to Galentine's. But cry me a river. Found the perfect Valentine's Day cocktail for my Valentine's Day without a date. I need these for my emotional baggage. Prettier than her, way prettier than her, prettier than her. Salad has more dates than I went on in the past year. Oh, 2%? It's about the effort my ex used to put in. I just feel like everyone has a soulmate. Well, you know what we have? Postmates. Preach. Roses are red. I'm sick of men. I'm buying flowers for myself again. I'd rather be opening up my heart than another bottle of Yellowtail, but here we are.